If you wake up exhausted even after 8 hours of sleep, rely on coffee just to function, or feel foggy before noon, your problem may not be how long you sleep, it's how deeply you sleep. Most people think sleep is just being unconscious, but biologically, sleep has stages: light sleep, REM sleep, and deep sleep. Deep sleep is where real recovery happens. This is when your muscles repair, your brain clears waste, your hormones rebalance, and your metabolism resets. If you don't reach deep sleep consistently, your body never fully recovers. You wake up tired, your energy crashes midday, your cravings increase, cortisol stays high, insulin sensitivity drops, inflammation rises, and slowly, everything feels harder. Deep sleep is when your brain activates the glymphatic system, a cleaning process that flushes out metabolic waste and neurotoxins. It's when growth hormone is released. It's when tissues regenerate. It's when your nervous system finally stands down. Without enough deep sleep, you don't heal, you survive. So what does broken sleep actually look like in real life? It often shows up as waking unrefreshed, needing caffeine immediately, feeling anxious for no clear reason, getting hungry early in the day, crashing around 3 or 4 in the afternoon, feeling sore after small efforts, having dull skin and low motivation. Those aren't personality traits, they're biological signals. Now let's talk about what destroys deep sleep. First, artificial light at night. Your brain uses darkness to produce melatonin. Screens and bright lights suppress that signal and delay deep sleep. Second, stress. High cortisol keeps your nervous system in alert mode. A body in survival mode cannot enter deep recovery. Third, eating late. Digesting heavy meals at night raises body temperature and insulin, both of which interfere with deep sleep. Fourth, alcohol. It may help you fall asleep, but it fragments sleep cycles and dramatically reduces deep sleep. Fifth, caffeine too late in the day. Even coffee at 2 or 3 in the afternoon can still be stimulating your nervous system at midnight. Sixth, low magnesium. Magnesium is essential for muscle relaxation, nervous system regulation, and sleep depth. Many people are chronically low, especially under stress. Seventh, bedroom temperature. A warm room prevents your core body temperature from dropping, and that drop is required for deep sleep. Now the good news. Deep sleep is not complicated to fix. You don't need expensive gadgets. You need consistent signals. Here is the deep sleep reset. Step 1. Morning sunlight. Get natural light in your eyes within the first 30 minutes of waking. Even 5 minutes helps anchor your circadian rhythm and tells your brain when daytime starts. That alone improves melatonin release later that night. Step 2. Walk daily. Walking is one of the most powerful sleep regulators. It lowers cortisol, improves insulin sensitivity, and signals safety to the nervous system. 20 to 30 minutes is enough. Step 3. Protect darkness at night. Dim lights after sunset. Avoid bright screens 60 minutes before bed if possible. Make your bedroom as dark as you can. Darkness equals melatonin. Step 4. Cool your sleep environment. A slightly cool room supports deep sleep by allowing your core temperature to drop. Most people sleep best between 18 and 20 degrees Celsius. Step 5. Magnesium support. Taken in the evening, magnesium helps calm the nervous system, relax muscles, and improve sleep depth. It doesn't knock you out. It helps your body let go. Step 6. Consistent bedtime. Your brain loves rhythm. Going to bed at roughly the same time every night trains your nervous system to enter sleep mode faster and more deeply. Step 7. Calm your system before bed. This doesn't have to be dramatic. Slow breathing for 2 minutes, stretching, a warm shower, quiet music. The goal is simple. Tell your body the day is over. Now here's how sleep connects to everything else we've discussed on this channel. Poor sleep raises cortisol. High cortisol raises blood sugar. High blood sugar raises insulin. High insulin increases inflammation and fat storage. Inflammation stresses the liver, and a stressed liver worsens hormone balance. It's a chain reaction. But when sleep improves, the entire system starts to normalize. Cortisol drops, insulin sensitivity improves, inflammation decreases, energy returns, fat loss becomes easier, mood stabilizes, recovery accelerates. Sleep is not passive. Sleep is active repair. One powerful habit that many people overlook is how they start their day. If your first hour is caffeine, notifications, and rushing, your nervous system learns danger before breakfast. Try something different. Drink water first. Get sunlight. Move your body for 5 minutes. That simple shift lowers cortisol all day, improves appetite control, and makes deep sleep easier at night. Small signals, repeated daily, create massive biological change over time. So here is the bottom line. If you feel tired, anxious, bloated, or stuck with stubborn fat, don't just focus on food or supplements. Fix your sleep. Get morning sunlight. Walk daily. Sleep in a dark, cool room. Avoid late caffeine. Support with magnesium if needed. Keep a consistent bedtime. When deep sleep returns, your body remembers how to heal. And remember this, your body is not broken. It is responding exactly to the signals it receives every day. Change the signals, and your biology will change with them. If this video helped you understand your body on a deeper level, subscribe to Vitality Lab. We turn complex biology into simple actions for stronger bodies and sharper minds. See you in the next video.